Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a new plan in ProjectionLab. In this walkthrough, we will open the app, start a brand new plan, add a clear name and some notes, and then move into the on-screen setup so you can begin modeling your scenarios with confidence. First, go to ProjectionLab in your web browser. Give the page a moment to load until you see the main workspace. You should be on the dashboard area with a sidebar on the left. This is where you'll access and manage your plans. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the Plan menu. It appears as a drop-down in the sidebar. Click the Plan drop-down to expand your options and then choose New Plan. This tells ProjectionLab you want to start fresh rather than editing an existing plan. You'll now be prompted to enter a name. Type a simple, descriptive sample name that you will recognize later, such as a test title for this walkthrough or a scenario label that matches your goal. Clear names make it easier to compare versions in the future. When you're ready, click New Plan to proceed and confirm your choice. You should see your newly created sample plan listed. Click the sample plan to open its details. In the Notes area, enter a few sample notes. Use this space to capture the purpose of the plan, any key assumptions, or what differentiates it from your other scenarios. Notes are optional, but they help future you remember exactly why this plan exists. When the notes look good, click. Create Plan to finalize the new plan. After the plan is created, you will land on the Setup screen. Click Continue to begin. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The guided flow will walk you through the essentials step by step, and you can adjust fields as needed. Take your time, review each screen, and rely on the prompts for context. If you are unsure about a setting, you can keep the default for now and refine it later. ProjectionLab makes changes easy to update. That's it. You went to ProjectionLab, opened the Plan dropdown, created a new plan, named it, added notes, clicked Create Plan, and continued into the guided setup. Once you complete the on-screen steps, your plan will be ready to review, compare, and iterate. Save your progress as you go and revisit the Plan menu anytime to create additional scenarios using the same straightforward process.